In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfectly smooth, rounded cube in Blender with clean shading. We'll start by adding a cube to the scene. You can do this from the Add menu by choosing Mesh, then Cube. With the cube selected, give it a clean, professional look by right-clicking and choosing Shade Smooth. This changes how the faces are shaded, removing that faceted look without altering the geometry yet. Next, add a subdivision surface modifier. This modifier increases the mesh's smoothness by subdividing faces into smaller ones. Set the level's value to 2 or 3. A level of 2 is a great balance for most scenes, staying light on performance, while 3 gives you a bit more polish if you want a rounder feel. You'll notice the cube starts to look like a sphere if left alone, which is where the next step comes in. Add a bevel modifier and make sure it sits above the subdivision modifier in the modifier stack. Placing it above ensures the bevel defines the edges first, and then the subdivision smooths everything for a clean, controlled result. In the bevel settings, set the limit method to angle. This tells Blender to bevel only the sharper edges, preserving the overall form of the cube while rounding the corners. Now set the segments to 2 or 3. More segments create a softer, more refined curve along the bevels without overdoing the geometry. For the amount, use a small value, somewhere between 0.02 and 0.1 works well for most default scale scenes. Smaller values give subtle rounding, larger values push the corners further out for a chunkier, more pronounced look. Enable harden normals in the bevel modifier. This helps the shading stay consistent across the bevels and flat areas, so you get crisp surfaces with smoothly rounded edges. To finish the shading setup, go to the Object Data Properties tab, open the Normals section and enable Auto Smooth. This pairs perfectly with hardened normals, ensuring Blender respects sharp transitions where needed while keeping curves silky. If any shading artifacts appear, they're usually a sign the auto smooth and hardened normals weren't both enabled. And that's it. You now have a cleanly shaded, smooth, rounded cube built on a simple non-destructive modifier stack. Feel free to fine-tune the subdivision levels, bevel segments, and amount to match the style you're going for, whether it's subtle, realistic rounding or a softer, stylized look. Save your file and you're ready to use this cube as a base for countless models.